Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm in the city with Willis currently, and today I'm going to be running you through how to make your phone footage look cinematic. Now, by definition, cinematic is the visual qualities or aesthetics of a film or video. And essentially today, this is the effect we're trying to achieve with your portable pocket camera. Now the advantage of using a phone over a cinema camera, mirrorless camera, or DSLR is how fast, easy, and portable they are to use. So this gives you the advantage and opportunity to grab cinematic sequences basically everywhere you go, which is exactly what I love doing. Now location and lighting does matter, which is why we've scouted around the city today, and we found this spot here which has some really nice lights, including these neons at the top of the building, and also just generally having the building structures overall creates a really nice atmosphere. So that's why we've allowed till now for the sun to go down, so we have the car lights and the building lights turning on to create a bit of more of a moody effect.
So it's only one thing you have to do, the camera will do the rest.
Yeah. Now the reason you want to find these artificial light sources is so that you can play with the exposure on your phone. So there's a nice and easy trick that I typically like to use when I find these cool artificial lights. And basically all you want to do is you want to tap the screen on your phone to where you want to focus and then drag down the exposure. This creates more of a moody effect and aesthetic that will create a darker mood to your videos. As for frame rate, I typically like to use a 60 frames per second so you can slow it down in post and bring it down to 24, which is the typical cinematic frame rate. As for the quality of the video, you want to shoot in 4K as it's just optimal to have the highest quality version of your video.
If you use an iPhone, try ProRes.
So another thing you want to pay attention to in your frame is having a subject. And this will prevent the viewer from being distracted from any other elements. So an easy way to combat this is having a human subject in your frame. So basically I'm going to get Willis to walk for me in my frame and try to get a cinematic shot in this dark aesthetic. And one more useful tip for while you're recording is actually moving the phone while you hit the record button.
And all that does is really just create depth and direction for the viewer's eyes when they navigate through the frame.
Yeah. Now, in the post-production side of things, this is a great way to exaggerate the atmosphere of your shots. And by this I mean late nights become bluer, sunsets become warmer, and nature becomes richer. And without oversaturating your shots, this is a great way to enhance your phone footage and make it look more cinematic. And finally, by combining all these things together, here is the final result. I hope you guys learned something and also enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making this video. Maybe give me a like or even just a subscribe, maybe. But other than that, I don't have much else to say, and enjoy.